Happy New Year to everyone. It's our first puppy walking day of the year. We've brought them back, all the 5 dogs back in, the 5 pups. We started off with putting them into the kennels just so they learn that when they do become police dogs in later life, there's more to life than carpets and settees. So they've gone into the kennels and to get just a little taste of that environment. We've then put them onto the van, onto one of our police vans, dog vans, and brought them out to the beautiful Vale. We've continued our tracking exercise where we've got the dogs doing a one leg, using food to keep their noses on the ground. Obviously tracking is a vital part of the police dog's role, finding not only criminals but also finding vulnerable people. People suffer from Alzheimer's, etc., who have wandered off. The dogs can follow their track, so it can be used for all sorts of situations, not just the bad people, also the nice people in our society. We're now going to take them into a different environment, take them to the gymnasium to see what they're like on shiny floors, a different environment, and just make it a light and fun day for the dogs, and obviously all the puppy walkers to get back and have a chat and discuss and see what problems they've got, if any, and how we can overcome those. Happy New Year to all.